Hello guys, it's me again, Lim. So, kembali kepada YouTube channel Trapo Malaysia. Macam video sebelum ni Lim tanya kan, so ada tak yang nak tengok Lim bertutur dalam bahasa? Memang ada permintaan. Kita hari ni akan campur-campur sama ada bahasa ataupun English. Stay tuned in the video. Why? We are going to throw in promo code. Ingat, ada promo code di hujung. So, stay sampai habis, kita akan terangkan. Apakah aksesoris yang paling penting bagi Lim rasa sekarang ni adalah Dashcam. To introduce to you guys, Trapo just launched our own Dashcam, and we call it as Trapo Eyesight Dashcam, and we have two different units, right? So the first model is T550, and another one more is T350. For the month of October, as long as you purchase the Dashcam through any of the channel, you can walk into the hubs, you can buy it through Lazada, Shopee, or whatever Trapo channel that you can buy. So you will enjoy the free installation from our hub. So tanpa melengahkan masa, kita akan mulakan kita punya installation right now. Okay? Alright, so Lim sekarang ni bukan setakat cakap saja tau. Lim actually tahu pasang. So hari ni kita tak jemput kita punya team lah sebab tengah busy kan. Sebab bulan ni kan free installation. So bila free installation mesti ramai customer yang semua nak, oi saya nak terus beli. So we'll do it for free for this time round. Okay, all the way until end of this month. Okay, end of this month so kita pasang cantik-cantik je. Nanti abang marah. Kereta dah cantik lah. Aku marah sangat tau. Mesti ada tanya kenapa lekat tepi Lim, sedangkan benda ni patutnya ambil rakam tengah, betul tak? Betul, sebab dashcam ni panjang. So bila dashcam ni panjang, dia punya screen kat belah ni. So bila lekat sini, kira betul lah, betul tak? Nampak? Dia punya screen kat sini. So bila benda ni dah siap, kita lekat pula benda ni. Okay, siap. Dah, boleh balik lah. Kena diet. Nak masuk ke Honda City pun penat. Alright, so this is a rear camera, of course. So you have to make sure that this is all centered. So at least you can capture the most video. Okay. And one more very important thing, sangat-sangat penting benda ni. Ini kalau tanya Lim, this is one of the best thing that I would choose. So it's using super capacitor battery. What's so different about lithium and super capacitor? Lithium is not bad actually, just that we are in Malaysia. Kita dekat Malaysia ni memang musim panas ni, sama ada panas ataupun sangat-sangat panas, right? What happens is that the temperature inside the car goes up to at least 70 over. Alright, so for lithium battery is very hard to enjoy with such a temperature. But for super capacitor, we tested up to 82 to 85. You have no issue. Means if you park your car outside, sometimes you face the issue with the dash cam overheat and cannot be opened. Right? What if suddenly anything happens around that time? What will you do? Right? So super capacitor is one of the best solution for Malaysia this type of hot weather. Inside your car is very hot, very heaty, and then if you have all this aquarium tinted and you don't have a proper tinted, then your car is even more high in temperature. So super capacitor will definitely help you to solve all this. This one is easy. Just use voice command, lock video, take picture. If you want to on the Wi-Fi, just turn on Wi-Fi. If you don't want the Wi-Fi, you just turn off Wi-Fi, right? So all of it by using voice control. Power weh. So once you turn on this thing, right, then you just basically, you have to give the command lah, which is open Wi-Fi, right? Once you open Wi-Fi, then you check through your phone, and then when you check through your phone, you have to connect to this dashcam. Of course, this model is T550. Once you connect, and then you go back to your apps. Once you look at the apps, right, so over the apps that check real-time video, so you click into the check real-time video. So this is basically, it directly show already. And of course, some people ask me, video macam tak clear kenapa When you view it through the apps, the video is not high definition, not 4K. You have to download the video for you to get the 4K view, right? So the same will be at the back. And most important is that the setting, this setting is always something that I mentioned to my team, is that you don't push this thing to shoot too high, because you don't want the view of the sky. Push it down a little bit, so turn it down a little bit so that you can at least take care of your front hood, your engine bay area, so somewhere at the side also you can see. And most important also, you can capture the car plate of the driver in front, the car in front. Alright, so kita dah hampir ke penghujung rancangan. So untuk episod ni, of course kita lupa sebut benda satu pertama adalah harga. So untuk harga T350 yang 2K video yang front sahaja, harga dia 21990. Yang kedua adalah T550 T550 ni yang 4K video depan dengan belakang, harga dia 54990 Itu harga untuk mesin sajalah, tak termasuk installation, tak termasuk SD card. Okay, again untuk bulan 10 kalau anda beli, anda boleh pergi ke mana-mana kedai Trapo untuk dapatkan free installation. Maksudnya anda boleh jimat 50 hingga RM100. Kali ni, kali pertama kita throw in promo ni power. So untuk setiap kedai kita ada 11 lokasi, betul tak? Kita sebut lagi Glen Mary. Lim hari ni berada kat Glen Mary. Okay, untuk segala lokasi yang kita ada ni, setiap dua pelanggan yang pertama hadir ke kedai, tunjuk video YouTube ni, anda dapat, contoh kalau anda beli T350, anda akan dapat free installation. Yang kedua adalah anda boleh dapat 64GB memory card secara percuma untuk dua pelanggan pertama saja. Ataupun contoh kalau anda beli yang T550, okay, anda boleh dapat 128GB punya memory card, SD card secara percuma. Okay, untuk dua pelanggan pertama saja untuk setiap kedai. So bila anda nampak video ni dah on dekat YouTube, benda pertama anda kena buat adalah cepat-cepat pergi kedai, beli. Anda boleh dapat enjoy promo ini. Okay, so itu sahaja. If you have any request, if you have anything you want to ask regarding about the installation, so I will try my best to answer in the comment section. If you face any difficulties, but why do you want to make yourself so hard to install it? Let us do the free job for you. Alright, so I think that's it for this time round. I think, do we miss anything? No, we don't miss anything, right? We only miss you. Alright,
And I miss you.
see you in the next channel.
Trapo, elevating your driving experience.